No. Just to take the pressure off the mount. Yeah. These three, 1, 2, 3. These are 14s. 1, 2, and 3. Those are 14s. These two are 17s, and the one underneath, there's one back here. Right under here, that's a 14. Unfreaking believable. They use different sizes. 14, 14, 14, 17, 17, and the one under here is a 14. I'm going to loosen the bottom one. We're not going to take it all the way out though. Let's see. I got that one on. I just want to take it loose. That one's good. Alright. Okay. It's 3/8 Milwaukee impact. Took it off. It's hot. Grab it from underneath. It's a 14, right? See, the ones that go on the outside are 17, and this one's a 14. The other one that goes on the underneath. Strange. Why can't they just make them the same size and make things easier for people? But why would they want to do that? All right, let's get the rest of this thing out. 17, right? They keep switching between sockets. 25 different sizes. Why? Helps to take the engine cover off too, for more space. How do I wiggle this out of here? Remember, tilt to the left, and then it comes out. Don't damage these. Not good. All right, it's out. There's the new one, old one, new one. This is just gone. No. Torn up, loose. Look at that. This is the screw that goes on the bottom. A 14mm bolt goes under here. Screws onto this. This is the hard one, the one that's hard to get to. You have to access it from the bottom. This is the new one. And tight. A little bit of flex, but it's okay. It's supposed to have that. This is tight though. Let's compare the old and the new part. Make sure they look the same. This is OEM. You probably get it aftermarket, but I've had bad experiences with aftermarket stuff. You know, engine mounts and such. That's why I'm using OEM for this. Remember, tilt to the left. Okay. Gotta wiggle it in. Watch this wire or this wiring harness over here. And then it should go straight on. They go straight on into its new home. Okay. Gotta jack up the engine a little bit so it fits nicely. Not too much, just a little bit. Can't get it in? Use a magnet. Guide it in. Got this one. Let's go back to the 14mm. Oh, there it is. Just why they're all different sizes. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's it. We're done. There's the part number, in case anyone's interested. No noise. Perfect. All fixed. Save yourself some money and do it yourself.